What's up guys, it's James here, and in this video I will be guiding you on how to get a domain and hosting with Bluehost and connect them together so that web browsers can find your website when someone searches it on the internet. Before we proceed, let me quickly explain what hosting and domain is. Hosting is the place where your website will be stored so people can access it online, and a domain on the other hand is your website address like mesologic.com, facebook.com, apple.com, and so on. Bluehost is one of the companies I have been using for a while now, and compared to other hosting companies, I can recommend them because they are the best and most reliable option. And if you're just getting started, I have organized a huge discount directly from Bluehost company to help you save money on all of your purchases. So when you click on the link in the description of my video, you get a free domain and 60% discount on all of your purchases on Bluehost. If you use my referral link to make a purchase, I will be receiving a commission at no cost to you, and you will be getting a huge discount. So it's a win-win for both of us.
I think we all win.
And this commission motivates me and helps me to keep making these wonderful tutorials for you guys for free. So I'll just go ahead and click on the link in the description of the video, and when I do so, I'll be brought to the Bluehost website. So guys, if this is your first time of being on my channel, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you can always get notified when I drop future videos. So once you're on the Bluehost website, just click on Get Started and then select the hosting plan of your choice. You can see the different plans with their various features, and just take a look at the different plans. We have the basic plan, we have the choice plus plan, we have the online store, and online store plus marketplace. Now all these plans have different prices and different features. For the basic plan, we have 10 GB solid state drive storage SSD, and this is just basically the web space that is used by your website files, emails, and database. Then we have free CDN, which is content delivery network, and this just helps to speed your website by reducing latency. And on this plan, you can just host one website. You have a free domain for the first year. You have custom WP themes for WordPress. You have free SSL, security, and then mailway scanning. Then if you come to the next hosting plan, the major difference is just an increase in the storage and then the number of websites that can be hosted. Like here we have unlimited websites and so on and so forth. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and select the basic hosting plan, which is ideal for a new website. Next, we will be setting up your domain. You can create a new domain, or you can use one that you already own. If you can't decide on a name, you can skip this section and create a domain later. To create a new domain, just enter your website name, choose your preferred extension, and click Next. And once you see that your domain is available, fill out your account information. So I'll just go ahead and fill out my account information. Now untick any extras that you don't want. Enter your payment information, agree to the terms, and hit submit. And once you see that your purchase was successful, go ahead and create an account. Just enter a password and log in to the account you just created. Then answer the short questions about your website. Give some details about yourself, and then skip the final step of the onboarding process. Now you'll be logged into your Bluehost account where your hosting and domain is already set up. So in the next phase of this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can install WordPress on our website. Now WordPress is a content management system that makes it very easy to create a website without coding. And with Bluehost, WordPress is pre-installed on your website, thereby saving you a step. So to log into WordPress, just click on WordPress from your Bluehost account, and this will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can edit your website. Now, just to let you know that your WordPress website has already been set up, and to view it, just click Visit Site and you will see your custom domain name and the default design that comes with WordPress. Alright, so this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you want to learn how to design a complete website with WordPress, I have covered it in another tutorial. So just go through my channel to watch it and gain more knowledge on how to design websites with WordPress. For more tutorials, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and comment below for what video I should do next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.